Today, we look at 10 honest classic cars, priced low but full of history. From an old 1979 Chevrolet El Camino to a worn diesel 1975 Mercedes-Benz 240D, these are not perfect show cars, just real machines, real condition, and real stories from another time. Car 1, 1979 Chevrolet El Camino. This silver El Camino is a running and driving V8 classic with an automatic transmission. The seller says the frame and floors are solid, the interior looks clean for its age, and all major lights and signals are working. It also has upgraded wheels and tires from a few years ago, which adds some value. Still, this is a 40-plus-year-old vehicle with normal wear and paint and trim. It's not restored, just an honest driver. At around $4,700, it feels like a fair project car you can enjoy slowly, without expecting perfection. Car 2, 1965 Chrysler Newport. This green four-door sedan comes with a rebuilt 383 engine and many new internal parts, including carburetor, distributor, and bearings. The seller says it runs, drives, and stops well, and the dashboard is in very good condition for its age. However, the seats show age, and there is rust in the rear quarters that will need repair someday. At around $3,000, it's a solid mechanical car with cosmetic needs. It suits someone who wants an old cruiser to maintain gently over time. Car 3, 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. This brown Trans Am shows just over 100,000 miles with its original 403 V8 and automatic transmission. The engine is currently locked from sitting too long, though another engine may be available. So this is not a ready driver. It's a project car that will need time, tools, and patience. For about $4,900, the value is mostly in the body and originality. It's best for someone who enjoys restoration work more than immediate driving. Car 4, 1979 MGB. This white MGB convertible has 79,000 miles and comes with both a soft top and a hard top. The seller says it runs and drives well with new carpet and a newer top installed. The simple 4-speed manual keeps the car light and classic. Still, older British roadsters often need steady maintenance, especially electrical and rubber parts. At around $8,900 or trade, it's more of a weekend hobby car than a daily vehicle. Pleasant to own, but not effortless. Car 5, 1975 Volkswagen Beetle convertible. This blue Beetle convertible is listed mainly as a parts car, with a transmission included and sold with a bill of sale. There's no clear mention of it running, and much of the car may already be missing or worn out. At about $700, it only makes sense for someone restoring another Beetle or collecting spare parts. It's not an easy project, and restoration costs can be much higher than expected. A realistic buy for hobbyists, not beginners.
Car 6, 1966 Chevrolet Impala. This white Impala sedan is reported to run and shift well with an automatic transmission and a mostly solid body. The seller says it needs interior work and has some surface rust, which is common for cars of this age. Mechanically, it sounds usable, but cosmetically it needs attention. At around $3,200, it's an honest project for someone who likes large American sedans. Not perfect, not restored, but a workable starting point if you're patient with repairs. Car 7, 1969 Plymouth Valiant 100. This tan Valiant coupe shows 50,000 miles and was used as a daily driver about 15 years ago. It ran and drove when parked, and it has a clean title, but there's no recent running report. So it may need fuel system cleaning, battery work, or more. At $2,500, it's a simple, practical classic with modest performance. Best suited for someone comfortable bringing an older, parked car back to life slowly. Car 8, 1977 Ford F-100. This black 1977 F-100 is described as a solid truck with red interior and automatic transmission. The seller simply says there are too many projects, which often means the truck may have small issues not yet repaired. At about $1,800, it could be a fair entry-level classic pickup. Expect some rust spots, tired rubber parts, or old wiring. It's not ready for show use, but possibly good for light work or a gradual rebuild. Car 9, 1979 Ford F-250 Shortbed. This blue F-250 Super Cab Shortbed is a solid project truck that mostly has its mechanical parts present. The seller mentions it needs small issues sorted out and must be hauled away, suggesting it's not fully road-ready. With an engine that may be a 351M or 400 and a price around $3,500, it's a heavy-duty classic needing time and tools. A realistic project for truck fans, not someone wanting quick results. Car 10, 1975 Mercedes-Benz 240D. This off-white diesel sedan has about 185,000 miles. It last ran 2 years ago and may start again with a fresh battery and clean diesel. The fuel tank was serviced and some engine parts are new. Still, the interior has typical seat tears and rust appears on lower panels. At around $1,200, it's an affordable classic diesel project. Reliable once sorted, but it will need careful work before regular driving. Old cars are not about speed or shine. They're about memories, patience, and simple driving. If one of these classics felt familiar, take care of it, and it may take care of you. See you in the next story.